Welcome! If you're looking to enable camera permissions for Roblox on your phone, you're in the right place. Whether you want to use your camera for in-game features or video chat, it's important to make sure Roblox has the right access. Let's walk through the updated steps to set this up quickly and easily. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is the app that looks like a gear icon, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see either Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Tap on that to see a list of all your installed applications. Next, scroll through the list and find the Roblox app. Tap on Roblox to open its settings page. Here, you'll see several options related to the app. Look for the section labeled Permissions and tap on it. This is where you control what features and data Roblox can access on your device. Inside the Permissions menu, find Camera. Tap on Camera to adjust its settings. You'll see a few options for how the app can use your camera. Select Ask Every Time. With this setting, Roblox will prompt you for permission each time it wants to use your camera, giving you more control and privacy every time you play. After you've made this change, you're all set. The next time Roblox needs to use your camera, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission. This is a great way to keep your privacy protected, while still enjoying all the features Roblox offers. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and choose a different permission option. And remember, some features in Roblox, like video chat or certain games, might also require you to verify your age before you can use the camera. If you don't see the camera option in the app, check if age verification is needed. That's all it takes to enable asking for camera permissions on Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience and stay safe online.